guys, so 11:11 na guys. Hinihintay ko lang mag-Christmas. So hintay na lang ako ng 1 hour to magi 12. So gumawa ko ng bahay. Gawa sa unan at kumot. Gamit sopa namin. So ayun yung mukha. Hello Kitty siya. Lang guys. Ayan guys. So guys, nawala yung view ng 1. So 6, 7, 167 lang. Really bad, but it's okay. It's not my fault. I mean, it's my fault. They didn't interested in me now. I think they're older than me. I'm gonna be 8 by January. Yes, all those. So we have Uno, so I know how to play Uno, guys. And we have it. What do you call it? Jumbling tower. I don't know what's that. Tower siya, and kukunin ko isa. So, magtututorial ako how to make this. Pero ko alam yan kasi gumagana siya. So, gumagamit ko to kapag iPad kasi ang iPad namin nasira yung pen eh. So, sinabi ko nga, share kami ng iPad. So, si Kuya naman yung turn. Okay, kasi may cellphone ako. So, yun lang guys, naka-costume pa rin ako. Amarakun.